In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the RIA Money Transfer app in 2025. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, the process is simple. For Android users, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar at the top, type RIA Money Transfer and hit Enter. Look for the app developed by RIA Financial and tap on it. Then tap the Install button, and once the app finishes downloading, it will automatically install on your device. For iOS users, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. In the Search tab at the bottom, type RIA Money Transfer and tap the Search button. Find the app by RIA Financial and tap on it. Tap the Get button, authenticate the download using your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID, and the app will be downloaded and installed. Once installed, open the app and either sign up if you're new or log in with your existing account. Set up your profile by following the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to start sending money. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.